through incitement, and nothing happens. Nothing much happened from 2007, except the 2 cases that were picked by the International Criminal Court. Nothing happened. We were unable to address the issue. So the issues are still underlying, but we will make sure we will not have another 2007, 2008. That's why we are very ruthless. Any leader of whatever nature, social leader, religious leader, political leader, who uses their position to incite public disorder, impunity, and violent resolution of any dispute, however genuine that dispute is, we will crush those people by enforcing the law ruthlessly against them, whoever they are, whether they are from the government side or from the opposition side. And that's why you've seen some of the incidents we have seen, including the violation of Îgiî police station by members of the public who actually had genuine concerns about the performance of the police and other state security agencies in Migori. But the solution is not to overrun a police station and break into the armory and start freeing persons in lawful custody. That's how you break down the country. So we have several cases like those. We have had the burning down of tea picking machines in Kericho and Bomet, again through incitement of leaders and impunity. The grievances around tea picking appear to me very genuine grievances, but the solution is not to destroy property and block highways where patients are using through ambulances ferrying patients are blocked simply because you have a problem with a multinational corporation, and that applies to every other dispute of whatever nature. So those are the measures we are taking. Never again will this country be allowed to sleep.